planning a Disney trip with a large family or group can make choosing the right room feel stressful. Because suddenly you're trying to balance space, comfort, theming, location, and somehow not paying for 3 separate hotel rooms. If that sounds familiar, Boulder Ridge Villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge might be exactly what you're looking for. Today, I'm giving you a full tour of a 2-bedroom villa at Boulder Ridge, and I'll also show you what makes this Disney Vacation Club resort such a peaceful and cozy place to stay, whether you're a DVC member or not. Hey, it's Jessica with Happily Everywhere Travel Blog. If you love Disney planning tips, resort reviews, and travel hacks to help you plan more magical vacations, you're definitely in the right place. If you love rustic, cozy atmospheres, Wilderness Lodge is probably already on your vision board. But if you also want more space and some of the comforts of home in your hotel room, Boulder Ridge really gives you the best of both worlds. As part of Disney's Vacation Club accommodations, Boulder Ridge carries the same warm lodge-style atmosphere that Wilderness Lodge is known for, but with larger rooms and added amenities. The best part is you don't have to be a DVC member to stay here. These villas can be booked directly through Disney or by renting points from a DVC member. If you'd like to see a video about renting DVC points in the future, leave a comment below. It can save thousands of dollars over booking directly, especially for larger groups. The Boulder Ridge section of the resort is tucked away in its own private building, offering a sense of calm away from the hustle and bustle of the main Wilderness Lodge lobby. Although it's just a short walk away, it feels more secluded and peaceful. You're also just steps away from the Wilderness Lodge bus stop, making transportation to the parks easy and convenient. The Boulder Ridge lobby itself is cozy and inviting, with fireplaces, rocking chairs, and its own signature scent of sandalwood and woodsy notes. It's a perfect place to relax after a busy day in the parks. And when you stay at Boulder Ridge, you have access to all of the amenities throughout Wilderness Lodge, including dining, pools, and recreation, making it easy to stay entertained without ever leaving the resort. Now let's talk about this gorgeous 2-bedroom villa. This particular villa is located on the 3rd floor near the elevators, making it easy to reach the lobby, fitness center, and the walkway to the main Wilderness Lodge building. It sleeps up to 8 guests and includes a full kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and a generous living area, making it a very different experience from a standard Disney hotel room. As soon as you enter, the space feels more like a luxury cabin retreat than a traditional hotel room. These villas have been recently renovated and feature wood floors, a brighter, more airy color palette, and space-saving Murphy beds that helps maximize the living space. Just inside the entryway is a large dining space with a table and chairs, perfect for enjoying a meal in your room. The fully equipped kitchen includes a beautiful island, plenty of storage, and everything you need for your stay, including dishes, silverware, serving utensils, and a dishwasher for easy cleanup. You'll also find a full-size refrigerator and freezer with an ice maker, along with a Keurig coffee maker and Joffrey's coffee for your mornings. Tucked into a closet near the kitchen is a washer and dryer. Detergent and a laundry basket are also provided, which is a huge perk for longer stays or for families traveling with little ones. Across from the kitchen is a spacious living room with comfortable seating, a large TV, and thoughtful Disney theming throughout the space. The artwork features Mickey and friends exploring national parks and camping, adding playful Disney touches while still keeping the overall design warm and rustic. This area works perfectly for relaxing after park days, watching movies, or spending time together as a group. When it's time for bed, a Murphy bed pulls down from the wall and transforms the living room into a cozy sleeping space for 2 guests. Just off the living room is a private balcony with 2 chairs and a peaceful view of the Boulder Ridge Cove pool, a perfect spot for morning coffee or a quiet evening break. In addition to the Murphy bed, this villa includes 2 private bedrooms. The primary bedroom feels like a true retreat after a long day in the parks. It features a king-size bed, end tables, a large dresser, and a flat-screen TV. Oversized windows bring in plenty of natural light while still maintaining that cozy lodge atmosphere. The primary bathroom connects directly to the bedroom and includes a deep soaking tub, a large vanity with plenty of counter space, and a separate walk-in shower. It truly feels like having a small spa inside your hotel room, and one of my favorite details is the mural of Mickey and Minnie kayaking, which adds such a fun Disney touch. Multiple doors throughout the bathroom provide added privacy and make it easy for more than one guest to get ready at the same time without feeling crowded. The second bedroom is just as spacious and includes 2 comfortable queen beds, offering sleeping space for up to 4 guests. It also features a large dresser, a flat-screen TV, and a nicely sized closet. This bedroom has its own bathroom as well, with a sink and vanity and a shower and tub combo, a practical setup for families or additional guests who want their own space. Altogether, between the 2 bedrooms and the Murphy bed in the living room, this villa can comfortably sleep up to 8 guests, while still giving everyone plenty of room to spread out and relax. All of these small details, from the layout and the open living space to the theming and peaceful location, come together to make the 2-bedroom villa at Boulder Ridge a really special place to stay. It offers a unique blend of space, comfort, and rustic luxury, creating a relaxing and comfortable home base for a Disney vacation, especially for families or groups traveling together. If you're trying to decide between a standard Disney hotel room and a villa at Wilderness Lodge, Boulder Ridge is absolutely worth considering. Thanks so much for watching. If this tour was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Disney resort tours, planning tips, and travel hacks. And tell me in the comments, would you stay in this 2-bedroom villa at Boulder Ridge? I'm Jessica with Happily Everywhere Travel Blog, and we'll see you in the next one.